Hi, once we've opened Python Shell, we need to go to File, New File. This will open a window like this. It'll say Untitled because we haven't saved it yet. We simply need to type our code into here. The first thing we want to do is import turtle. Now, if you spelt import correctly, it will go orange because it's a keyword in Python. That will import the module for the turtle that we will use today. We're now going to control the turtle by typing in turtle.forward. Now check your spelling. It's very easy to make a spelling mistake like I just have. It's really important that you just check your spelling carefully. So there we go, turtle forward, and then it wants to know how far you want it to move. So I'm going to start with 50. We want it to move 50, and I'm going to run this module now, and it's going to ask me to save it, so I'm going to put it into my documents, but you will put it into your N drive, and I'm going to call this 01 and press save. And there, very quickly, you saw we've had an arrow with a line behind it. So now I'm just going to change my code a little bit. So I'm going to minimize that and close that, and now I'm going to change it from 50 to 200 and see what happens. Run module, click OK, and you can see we've had a much larger line. So simply by putting in a number here, we're controlling the length of that line. But what we want to do is draw a square, so we need it to turn. So now we need to tell the turtle to turn, and I'm going to go left, and I need it to turn left by 90 degrees. So turtle left 90 degrees. It's a right angle. So now I'll run my module and click OK, and there you can see it's gone the 200, and you can see the arrow has turned left. So let's go back and have a look at what we can do now. I'm going to copy that line of code there that made it go forward. I press Control C, and now I'm going to press Control V to paste, and then I'm going to run the module and see what happens this time. And you can see it went that way. So let's go again. Let's now copy that line of code there, and in fact I'm going to highlight those two lines, press Control C, and I'm going to paste it and then paste it again. So now we're saying go forward by 200, turn left to a right angle, go forward by another 200, turn left again at the right angle, go forward, turn left, go forward, turn left. So that should complete our square. Run module, and there you go. Well done.